So today I'll be showing you how to transfer photos and videos and other types of files from your Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold to your Windows computer, or from the Windows computer to the Galaxy Z TriFold. Now for this one, you're going to need the data cable that comes in the box of your phone and your computer. So you can use either that data cable that comes in the box or any data cable. So connect that one end of that cable to your phone and the other end to a computer. Again, like I said, this could be any data cable. So once those are connected, next thing you want to do is unlock your Galaxy TriFold, and then you want to go to this USB for charging phone, this option here. Tap on that. That's going to open the USB settings. Select transferring files / Android Auto, and it's going to ask for your fingerprint or your password. Once you provide that, then now your phone, or rather your computer, will recognize that as a device to transfer data. So now you can go to your computer and open up this PC. Well, you can find it there. Let's just go to File Explorer. And on this left hand side, we have this PC. And then you can see my Z TriFold is here. I'll double click on it. Then you have internal storage. I'm going to double click on that, and then now I can go into the folder that I want. If it's photos and videos, I know those are in the DCIM folder, so I'll go there and then select camera, and here are all the photos and videos taken with my camera. So everything is going to be here, all your screenshots, all your transferred photos and videos, everything that you've downloaded. So for instance, if you want downloads, you can just go to the download folder and get your downloads from there. All right, so all you have to do once you get whatever you're looking for is simply select, copy, and paste, either from the phone to the computer, or from the computer to the phone. Thanks for watching and good luck.